lesson, we will look at inserting, hiding, and changing column width and row height in MS Excel. With MS Excel, we always have the opting rows and columns. Let's say we have three column names here: name, age, and birth. We want to insert an address column before the date of birth column. How you do that is, you can highlight this column and then click, and you will see that by default a column will be inserted of the original column, and we can add the new column here. If you want to insert a new row exercise, where you right click and then you can see a row has been inserted. Let me populate some data so that it's clear. As you can see, one row inserted. Let me just select this, and as you can see, one row has been inserted above. Use the insert option that you see here. Tables, pivot tables, and others. But also want to discuss how you can change the column width and row height. The column width can be changed by simply dragging the edge of the column and then dragging it to whatever width you want, or dragging it back to reduce the column width, just as you can see here. By default, you have the column width and row height provided here. There is an option where you can see the column width and row height. If you want, you can change it numerically, and the same applies for row height as well. If you want to change the row height, you come to the end of the row and drag this row up and down based on what height you want, as you can see here. Another interesting thing that you can see here is what's called adjusting the width to the data present in that particular column. So let's say we have a long address for this person: XYZ Tai Ching Lane, Miami, USA. That is the address that I'm going to be giving this person. Now, if you want to adjust the column width so that the data fits perfectly with the width of this column, all you need to do is go to the column and once you see this type of crosshair pointer, just double click on it and you can see that the width of the column has automatically changed to fit in the data that's there in that column. So that's a little bit about hiding, inserting, and changing row width and column height. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.